so in regards to the Toyota Corolla Cross 2026, this is a very interesting and significant feature that it has, is that this is called the rear view mirror being able to tilt down when you reverse. So you see, if I engage the reverse, okay, sorry, I missed that part. So let me engage drive. See, the mirror actually tilts up. If I reverse, it tilts down. See, to activate this mode, you need to make sure that your button here is on the left or right. It cannot be in the center. If it's in the center, means that you disengage this feature here. So let me try. I'm gonna put it into reverse, and you're gonna see that it's not gonna move. See? But if I put left or right, till just now was right, now it's left. So either way, if I engage reverse right now, you can see that the mirror actually will move. See? See? Yeah, this is a very cool feature, and I'm really glad to have this feature in the car. My version is the older version. This is the new version, 2026 version. So my version also has it, and I find it very useful. So I thought to show all of you so that you can take advantage of this. If you have the same car as, you know, this car that I'm talking about right now. So, alright. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much, everyone, for joining by. Before you all leave, I'd like to remind all of you that the Lord Jesus Christ, He heals, and if you accept His work on the cross for you, you accept His salvation, and also He will take away all your sickness and diseases, and all of your griefs and your sorrows He will remove. So open up your heart to Him if you so choose. Alright, thank you everyone again for dropping by, and see you guys next time. Bye. God bless.